TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hey folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, just fresh out of retirement. Folks, I'm not retiring, I'm just ending a career. I don't know how long I got to go, but I'm going to go to the very end. I mean, some people said, gosh darn, what's happening? Nothing's happening. It's just that I got to be realistic. Here's why the market isn't breaking down yet, folks. This is 2,000 stocks in the Russell 2000. You can see we're making new all-time highs. The key date, by the way, today's the day of the birth of Elvis Aaron Presley. For those of you that are Presley fans, already knew that. Okay, now you see we're into new high ground. The key date is tomorrow, the 9th. That is the day when we have Mercury, Mars, Sun, Uranus, all that stuff comes together. And if it's right, it'll sometimes be on the exact date. We're seeing here a big run up here in the Russell this morning, and it's since early this morning, it just took right off. It didn't even back off any at all. It was telling you why, that it was ready to go. This is today's action. Remember, the thing we always talk about is what? The 382. So if you took the overnight low, drew it up to the early morning high, and look where the pullback is, right there, exactly at the 382, and here we are 30 handles higher. Look, there's another one right here probably. Let's just double check to see if that did the same thing. No, that didn't make it, but it's still on its way. That means we could get all the way up to 2633, another 10 points. That's nothing. That's nothing when you have a market that's trading just 10 points away, as strong as it is. Now, the Dow Jones is still not coming near the new highs, but we could still make that. The key to this whole thing is the timing part of it, folks. That's the whole key. And I think we're going to find out what's happening because, folks, I have to share this. Well, we got a break coming up, I'm afraid. Let me double check how much time we got here. Oh, 53 seconds. That's enough for 2 lifetimes. This is the one I want to show you most of all because this is the one that's going to be the leader of the pack. This is the New York Stock Exchange Index, folks. I want you to see this. Now, this is going back 50, 60 years. Okay, now the low, remember this 2009 low right here? That was an exact 382 of the low from 1974. Exactly. Okay, look at this one here. Exactly. Look at this. We've got on the monthly charts. We got monthly charts, and you're going to see all of them in the newsletter this week, but they're all coming together right here at this 22,600 level in the New York Stock Exchange. So I really, like I said before, often wrong, but never in doubt. We're going to be watching it close. So